In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a series of numbers into a table in Microsoft Word, making your documents more organized and professional. Whether you're working on a report, a list, or any structured document, learning how to efficiently number your tables can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right into the process. Firstly, you'll want to go to your Microsoft Word file where you want the numbered table to appear. Make sure your document is open and ready to be edited. This is where we will be working most of the time, so ensure there are no distractions and that you're in the right file. Now direct your attention to the top of the Word window and you'll find several tabs. Click on the Insert tab. This tab is essential because it holds a variety of options to enhance your document, such as inserting pictures, shapes, and importantly, tables, which is what we're focusing on today. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Table option. Click on it and you'll see a grid of squares that allow you to choose the number of rows and columns you'd like to create. For example, I'm going to create a 2x5 table. This specific size is just for demonstration purposes, but feel free to customize it to suit your needs. The size of your table will depend on your particular requirements in the document. After your table has been inserted, you need to select a specific section of it. Clicking and dragging your cursor over the cells will allow you to highlight them. This action is crucial because it tells Word exactly where you want the numbers to appear. Be mindful about selecting only the parts of the table you wish to include in this series. Once your desired part of the table is highlighted, head back to the Home tab. This is the tab where most of the formatting magic happens. You'll find this tab located by the same collection of tabs you accessed earlier, the one where you previously clicked Insert. In the Home tab, navigate to the Paragraph section and find the Numbering button. This button typically resides beside the bullet point button. It's what you'll use to add numbers in the sequence to your highlighted table cells, thus completing the process of numbering them. And there you have it. After clicking Numbering, you're done. Your table now features a numbered list in the areas you previously selected. It's simple, yet powerful in enhancing the clarity and organization of your Word documents. Now you can easily manage and present information, ensuring it is both structured and aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be a Microsoft Word Pro in no time.